Hi, Lumberjacks. So excited to see you here today. Yesterday, you guys had picked your project and what kind of information you are sharing today. Today, you are going to be looking at adding to doing your first part of your project, doing the research part of your project. So you got to think, what am I researching? I filled out on my chart the information I'm going to share. Am I sharing about lumberjack jobs? Am I sharing about the tools? Am I sharing about the life of a lumberjack? What am I thinking about? I need to research and get some information on facts about that part of your topic. So today, boys and girls, I have included your entire lumberjack booklet into here, and you're going to get to highlight your facts. So we're doing our research and just finding our information today that we want to turn into facts on our project. So here we are in our Google Classroom. You'll click on view your assignment. You have a couple things here. You have this video. You're going to have a checklist that goes in there that you're going to check off daily. I'll show you that at the end. And your lumberjack booklet research. This is probably going to be up in your work corner because each of you are going to need your own copy today so that you can really research it. So double click on it. It's going to be up in this corner that says your work along with your turn in button. So double click on it up there on your side. And I'm going to open it up. Now, this book is all full of information. And I was thinking, maybe I should just take out all the pictures and stuff. But then I thought, no, readers can get facts from the pictures too. So let's say that I am doing information and I want to do some research and I really want to learn more about the camp life. So I'm going to start on page 1 and I am going to click through my book until I find out more about the camp life as this slowly loads. Thank you for your patience. Appreciate that. Okay, I'm going to click through. So this was I was a lumberjack. No, I'm going to use that heading. I don't think that's going to tell me much about camp life. Going to a logging camp. Well, that might tell me a little bit about camp life. I know they had to get to the camp by riding on a train. I'm going to use that information. I might use it in my facts later. I might not. One might be better. So once I get that, I'm going to hit my escape button because I'm on slide 2. I'm going to view and zoom in to my 100%, and I'm going to find the riding train. I'm going to use my, sometimes it jumps around a little bit. I'm going to highlight riding a train, go up to my highlighter right here, and pick a highlight color. Green kind of works for me, but it doesn't matter. You could pick whatever color. Oh, maybe pink could work. Pink would really stand out on your books too. Actually, I think I am going to change that to pink. Give me a second. Go up to my highlighter. Let's go with bright pink there. That's going to really stand out. Now I'm on that slide. I'm going to just go back to present and continue going through my book to find this. Now, you could be going through your book and you could write this on a piece of paper next to your computer too and save it for tomorrow, or you can just keep it in this book. It doesn't matter. Either way is fine. And let's see, that was about the white pine. So that didn't tell me about camp life. Oh, logging camp. I bet this one is going to tell me a lot about camp life. I'm going to go back. I'm going to escape. And I'm going to look. Oh, this is about a logging camp. Rough bunkhouses. That's a fact. I'm going to click in there. I'm going to highlight that in pink because that's going to stand out for me. You pick your color. So that's it. But the other thing in present mode that might help me with a fact that I could get is I can click on that link. Oh, here's some more facts in the bunkhouse. I've got a stove. I've got clothes that are hanging in if you're doing a bunkhouse, I got clothes that are hanging up there. So those could be facts. I'm going to hit my escape button and I want to show you a way. Let's see. If I want to write on there, I can click on my text box and I can stretch it. I'm going to probably change my font to pink so it stands out. Oops, and it disappeared. Stove to stay warm. So I could add that fact there. If I'm not highlighting and it's not in my text, I could have some facts that go in there. So I'm going to click back on that, click back on my slide 13, hit my present button, click back on my picture, and continue to find information. I know that there's a mess hall in there, that there's a tool shed in the logging camp. And I'm going to want to go deeper into detail, but today it's about locating the information so I can easily find it when I expand my facts tomorrow. So boys and girls, today we're going to be working on highlighting the facts and where I am going to find them. Tomorrow, you should be locating 7 to 10 facts because we're going to want some to pick our best one. As I go through the book, I might find other things and other pages that could be helpful to me, but this is your book to highlight and find as you need, or to write down facts as you need just on a piece of paper. When I have finished highlighting, boys and girls, in my Google Classroom, I'm also going to have a checklist. So each day, you're going to finish up and click on your checklist to say what parts you did. Today, I researched my 7 facts. I'm in it a different way. You click on it, and you'll click the submit button at the bottom. Mine looks different on my side. Because Mrs. Spies has access to this right now. So you just click what you did today. We did our facts. So that's your first part of your project. We researched our facts. Good luck, lumberjacks and researchers. I know you're going to have some wonderful information for your project already today.